In this video, I'll show you how to turn a normal link in Gutenberg into a tracked link. Then I'll show you exactly what data gets recorded when someone clicks it. To do this, I'll use a tool called ClickMagick. If you want to follow along, you can use the link in the description to get a 14-day free trial. Let's get started. For this example, I am editing my WordPress demo page with the Gutenberg block editor. The page has a button block that points to a resource page. That direct link can take visitors to the right place, but it does not give me a simple click report for this one button. I will start by opening the destination page in a new tab. This is the page visitors should land on after clicking the Gutenberg button. I will copy the direct link from the browser. Now I will open ClickMagick and create a new tracking link. For the name, I will use Gutenberg Resource Demo. Then I will paste the destination link into ClickMagick. This keeps the same landing page, but lets ClickMagick record the click first. After I save it, ClickMagick gives me a tracking link. I will copy that tracking link and return to the Gutenberg editor. Now I will select the button block on the WordPress demo page. I will open the link field and replace the direct link with the ClickMagick tracking link. Nothing about the visible button needs to change. The text, layout, and design stay the same. Only the link behind the block is updated. Now I will save the page and open the live version. I will click the Gutenberg button once. The same resource page opens, so the visitor experience still works as expected. Now I will go back to ClickMagick and refresh the Smart Links report. The test click is now visible. Here I can see how many clicks this Gutenberg link receives. The main report shows total clicks, unique clicks, flagged clicks, cost, revenue, net profit, cost per click, earnings per click, and return on investment. Inside the click details, I can review the clicks per day chart, link view, referrer, sub-ID 1, unique click status, IP address, country flag, and timestamp. Now this Gutenberg button gives me a clear click report inside ClickMagick. I hope this helped. Try ClickMagick for yourself using the link below. You'll get a 14-day free trial.